Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another custom drawing, this time for Darryl Donaldson. He reached out to me on Instagram and asked for 2 custom pieces. The first one is an epic A3 size drawing of Goku vs Escanor from 7 Deadly Sins using the cruel sun. Sounds great, but I really thought about how could this be an equal fight. The second order is Deku vs All Might from My Hero Academia, which I will start drawing after finishing this one. Obviously Goku is a million times stronger than Eskano, so I was thinking about Goku just standing relaxed while Eskano is trying to attack Goku with the cruel sun. I really wanted to draw Goku with the back view and with a very cool stand. So I was searching for some references and found this action figure on Google, and this really was exactly the pose I wanted. I usually don't use action figures as references, but why not? Actually, I was also searching for some cool references for Escanor and also find an action figure to be perfect for that. Escanor holding his axe high and creating the cruel sun in front of Goku. It would be kind of funny to draw Goku and Escanor in an actual fight, because that fight would last just a second. I think to draw them like that would be the perfect match for them both fighting, and so I started. When I get commissions, I always discuss the poses and the sketch with the commissioner, so we both are happy with the idea. Just then I start to work seriously. As you can see, before I start to draw detailed, I always draw the rough shape of the characters. That makes drawing way easier and you will do way less mistakes, which eventually saves time and effort. I think many of you actually don't know what a commission is and how to order a drawing. A commission is a custom drawing which will be created according to your wishes. As you can see, we can mix different anime together or just draw your favorite characters in a special pose or outfit you want. We can also turn you into a Saiyan or anime character, that's not a problem. We can also do some huge drawings with several characters, which I did a lot of during my career. And how to place an order is very simple. You can contact me on Instagram by sending me a private message, or you can send me an email. Both links you can find in the info box below and in my pinned comment. I am really filled with commissions right now, which I am really thankful for and really appreciate. That just means that the waiting list is pretty long, but I'm doing my best to knock out these commissions one by one. If you are also interested in a custom drawing, contact me guys.
There's a marksman who's leading my head. He's a true pro, he shows up when the moon is being shy, and I just wanna be in my bed. I feel his diligence and patience, and his wickedness is contagious if I follow now.
For the coloring I'm using many different marker brands, all alcohol based and some water based brush pens, which I will use at the end for the aura. You can mix alcohol markers together even if they are from different brands, that's not a problem. For the last few months I really love to use the Arrtx markers. They are a cheap but still very high quality alcohol marker alternative. I love them. Of course I'm using the Copic markers, which I almost use for 10 years now, and some Ohuhu brush markers and Arteza Everblend markers. All of them are great, but if I had to choose 3 of them, I would definitely choose the Arrtx markers, Copics and Ohuhus. Which are your favorite art markers, guys? Let me know in the comments below. You may wonder, yo Tolg art, why do you draw Goku Super Saiyan Blue? He is already way stronger than Escanor in his base form. Yeah, you're right, I'm doing this for one reason only, and that's the contrast. Escanor will have an aura too, which is yellowish, and the cruel sun is also yellow, orange and red. The mountains will be brown, so I decided to add some blue to the picture to make it very colorful. Was this a good idea? What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments also. And guys, what's really important for the future of my channel, you have to be more active. What do I mean by that? We have to reach at least 1000 likes with these videos as soon as possible. I also want you guys to be way more active in the comment section. I love the comments on my previous video. I would love to read comments like that on every video of mine. You can also share my videos to help me reach a bigger audience. That way YouTube knows that you like my videos, and only then YouTube will recommend my videos more. That way my channel will grow and I can create better content for you. You know, being an artist is not easy, and although YouTube ads is not my main source of income, it would be amazing if I can grow my channel even further and reach a bigger audience with my videos. I would really appreciate that, guys.
Right to the bitter end.
What I also want to mention is that many of you are asking for prints of drawings which I did for clients. Custom drawings are made for the commissioner only, so I don't make prints of them. I like the idea of orders like this are unique, and only the person who is paying for the service should get the original drawing. Still, there are prints of many different drawings in my online shop, also in poster sizes. So if you're ever interested in something like this, you can check out my Etsy shop. The link is in my info box below and in my pinned comments.
Words come so easily, cause what I say is the truth. You don't need to worry about me.
Alright guys, last touch, and then I'm finally done with the first custom drawing for Darryl, Donaldson. This took me so long guys, you can imagine. A full colored A3 size drawing in portrait mode with lots of details. Darryl and I are very happy with the final result, and I hope you guys like it too. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. As I said, if you are also interested in a custom drawing, contact me on Instagram and email. I will also upload this drawing in full time on my real-time drawing channel very soon, so make sure to check that out too. Prints of my drawings are available on Etsy, also in poster sizes. And again, big thanks to Darryl for this amazing order. Alright guys, that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching, and I see you on my next video.
Feels like you are someone